Hi, today I'm going to share to you my latest boodle at Shopee. So this is a 6-liter mini washing machine. This is good for underwear, socks, handkerchiefs, or any other tiny and lightweight clothes. It's like a manual washing machine that you're going to add the water, detergent, soap, and then allow it to spin. It has 3 variations of color, and I chose green because this is one of my favorite colors. So there, you just put the underwear and you can choose between 3-minute, 5-minute, or 10-minute spin. And also, you can cover while spinning. There you go. And this is how you're going to drain the water in order to be clean. It has also a manual dryer, so look at that. And by the way, this is collapsible too, so it is amazing. See that?
Hidot mo. 3 seconds. Yun.